writing practice number 7. Dear Mrs. Green, it is a pleasure to announce that the Brown Factory outlet has added Hamilton pottery, glass, and other dishes to our line of fine products, period. We are able to offer Hamilton dishes to you at discount prices through special arrangement with the Hamilton Factory. Paragraph. You probably know that Hamilton is the largest manufacturer of glass products in the entire area, period. Enclosed is a booklet showing all of the beautiful new pieces that we now carry in open stock, period. We are sure you will agree with us that Hamilton dishes are among the finest, most beautiful in the world. Paragraph. Plan to come in soon and let one of our representatives show you the complete line of Hamilton products, period. We will give you one free cup, plate, or other piece of Hamilton pottery when you visit our store, period. Cordially yours. Number 8. Dear Miss Case, enclosed is your new national credit card, period. Welcome, Miss Case, to our large family of national credit card holders. Paragraph. Please take a moment right now to sign your credit card in ink, period. It would be a very good idea for you to record the number of the card in your personal file, period. Be sure to carry your credit card with you at all times, period. Please notify us immediately if your card should ever be lost or stolen. Paragraph. People all over the country use their national credit cards to purchase everything from towels to television sets, period. You will find that the card is accepted by stores throughout the country, period. You will also discover that it is a valuable form of identification when you want to cash a personal check, paragraph. Thank you for your confidence in our organization, period. Welcome to the largest group of credit card holders in the world, period. Cordially yours. Reading practice number 9. Dear Miss Garcia, thank you for your recent request for a general credit card, period. We were, of course, very glad to receive your request, paragraph. We are now in the process of making our regular credit check, and we will send you your card just as soon as we have completed our work, paragraph. In the meantime, Miss Garcia, we are sending you our new catalog, period. I hope you will enjoy looking through it, period. When you receive your credit card, you may charge any item in the catalog, period. Sincerely yours.